Alright guys, so looks like the fire alarm or the fire call was nothing major. We have engine 1 going back to station right now. Chief Matt Primiano was driving it. Maybe that's why they cranked up that Q2B going by.
Someone brought popcorn in the microwave.
Popcorn?
That's what that was.
Really?
I don't know, that was that fire call. I just heard on the signal in there.
Only in the school somewhere.
It wasn't near Sean. No, it was near. No, Uncle Scott was. Uncle Scott was the only guy. Uncle Scott was the only guy, and then we had, Chris, Nate, and Pete Janetto. Oh, what in their cars?
Chris Day went by 2 times because he saw engine 5 coming, so he turned around.
No, you saw Chief coming, but then Matt